Hi, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and today I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Celebrate Sunflowers bundle. So here's the card. I'm using Just Jade and some of the paper from the Flowers for All Seasons DSP. It comes in 6x6 and it has a lot of the new in colors in it, and it's really pretty. So I'm going to start off by just stamping the sentiment in Early Espresso. And it says, know that you are loved. So I'm just going to do that right here in the bottom corner. A little bit crooked, but we'll live with it. And then I'm going to put dimensionals on this. Some ink on my fingers. And then I'll adhere this down. This is our new adhesive. And I'm going to break it off like that. I learned that that helps keep the adhesive queued up properly. Just line this up right here, and then I can add this. And I've already stamped and cut out the sunflowers and leaves, sunflower and leaves, so I'm just going to color them. So for the leaves, I used Just Jade. So I started with the dark in the middle, and then I did the light, blended it in, and then I'm going to go back with the dark to add some more shadows. More contrast. And then for the sunflower, I used soft suede in the middle. Here's the dark, and here's the light. And then for the petals, I used Daffodil Delight. So I'll start with the dark, and I'll just add that to all the insides of the petals. And then I'll finish up with the light and blend everything in. And then I might go back with the dark and add some more contrast and shadows. Just really love coloring with the blends, and so easy. You just have a light and a dark. You can blend other colors with each other if you want to get fancy and creative. I usually stick to the light and the dark. I need to try blending other colors together, because it looks really pretty when you do it. All right, that looks really nice. The shadows look pretty good, so I'm just going to leave it like that. And then I'm going to add some dimensionals and adhesive to all the pieces. So we'll do adhesive on the leaves. Don't get stuck together. Alright, so we'll put down our sunflower first, like this. And we'll add one leaf up here, one leaf down here. Scoot that over a little bit so it's not so close to the words. Then we'll add one leaf over here. So here's our finished card. So I'm offering a class on Celebrate Sunflowers, and for the class you will receive supplies for 2 of each of these cards. All you have to do is purchase the Celebrate Sunflowers bundle, or if you already have the bundle, you can purchase a different bundle from the catalog, or $50 order using this hostess code, and I will send you this card kit for free. So just go to elainescreations.net and click on Shop Now. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can check out all my videos. Thank you so much. Bye.